So I just found this Instagram account with almost 200,000 followers that's doing 200 million views every single month. And they sold this $50 product over 10,000 times, which if you do the math is like $500,000, right? So in this video, I'll show you the two-step process this account is doing to reach insane amount of views every single month and how they actually convert views into buying customers. Now, I don't suggest anyone actually go do and copy this exact strategy, selling hoodies of this person. I'd rather see you use this strategy to promote your app, you know, with organic content, all of that good stuff. But I'm not your dad, so whatever you do with this information, that's on you. The first part of how this account actually grows and gets the views before it converts them is cloned videos. So you can see all of these videos, the most viral ones, let's look at this one, are literally just avatar swaps of other videos where someone is dancing and they put this person on them, right? It's viral by itself because it's controversial and also because the video they used as the source is viral, right? So for example, this one as well, yeah, even if this was a different persona, it would probably go viral. So let me show you how to do this part, and then I'll show you how to actually automate turning views into customers. To turn any video into your own with an avatar, you'll want to use an app called vidcloner. What vidcloner does is replicates any viral video and replaces the person in them with your avatar. You've probably seen those videos of this black girl, right, going viral, like 300 million views a video, or anything else. Like you can even do this for like UGC stuff, right? So what you would do is just sign up. You upload an image of your avatar, for example, like this one, or generate it with AI, right? So you would say, I don't know, what's your avatar, like a blonde girl, whatever it is, maybe President Trump, right? And then you would go to the inspiration tab. In the inspiration tab, you'll see a bunch of videos that you can copy, a lot of dances, whatever stuff that you can replace your avatar with. So for example, you would take this video, you would click clone, you would select the avatar that you want to use, maybe a buff guy like this one. This is what the owner of this account would do, right? Selecting this avatar, and then you would clone the video. For example, for this video, I selected this girl. What it made was a video like this. Right, so pretty realistic, following all the movements. It kept the sound, added her face on it. So you would do the same, just with a different avatar, right? And once you have these videos, it's as simple as just uploading them, right? You upload them to Instagram itself, try the reels, and you would get the views. Now, but the biggest problem is turning the views into actual buyers. How in the world do you do that? Well, if you notice, under each comment, this account says check DMs before I change my mind, check DMs, whatever. What this account does is actually messages every single person who interacted with the video and sends them the link to their product, to this hoodie. Now, of course, they're not doing this by themselves. It would be insane. They're getting thousands of comments every day, but I know how to do that for free because I've been doing it, right? As you can see, I'm getting comments almost every minute. And if you look at this one, let's click 1 minute ago. I was filming this video. I definitely did not comment, right? 1 minute ago, I sent them something, check message request, info sent. And this is how I actually promote my products, right? So the app used for this, and I'll leave it in the description, is called Zorka. And I'll show you how to set it up. Zorka is a free version of Instagram DM automation. So what you would do is you would go to automations. First, of course, you connect your account. Then you click new automation, click DM from comments, name the flow, create automation. Here you select any post or reel. So the automation will run on all of the posts you do. Any keyword, yes, you don't want to filter out anyone else, and then send a DM. Here you would add your message. What I do is I just say the app is vidcloner.com. Let me know if you have any questions, right? You can add an image. You should add a link, so it would say vidcloner.com. vidcloner.com, right? Add a message, and this way the person gets a message that looks like this. The app is vidcloner. Let me know if you have any questions, right? Now, there are a lot of more settings you can do. what I do is I of course add a public comment. I add a lot of variations like check your DMs, I sent you something, check your message requests, all of that. And then you go live. And if you look at it, I actually sent like 2,000 messages already, right? In the last 7 days, 295 clicks happened from this video, all automated. So it's exactly the formula this account is doing with 200,000 followers, the 200 million monthly views, 400,000 average views per video. And that's how they're pushing all of those views to their product to actually make sales. Now, again, you should probably do this for an app of your own, whatever you're promoting with UGC, with whatever, but whatever you do, it's up to you. Now again, the tools I used are vidcloner for cloning and actually creating the content, Zorka for DM automation. I'll leave them all in the description, and preferably you can use apps like Ticomate if you want to push that content to American audiences. This is only if you're doing TikTok. Now, this strategy is all about Instagram, but this is for those who are doing TikTok as well. So if you have any questions, just let me know. If instead you want to bombard Instagram and TikTok with UGC content, I suggest you take a look at this video where I show how to actually get great high quality UGC for like 1 cent per video.